What's the meaning of bothy? Bothy. Bothy.
Bothy. Bothy. A bothy is a type of basic accommodation, typically found in rural areas of Scotland and northern England. These small buildings were traditionally used as shelters for agricultural workers, fishermen, and hikers, among others. Bothies are often remote and simple structures, with limited or no amenities, such as running water or electricity. Some bothies require visitors to bring their own sleeping bags and cooking equipment. Many bothies are located in scenic areas and provide a unique opportunity for people looking to explore the wilderness. Staying in a bothy can be a rustic and rewarding experience for those who enjoy roughing it in the great outdoors.